Hi guys, so this is my Zara haul, and every once in a while I can just go in Zara and just find like so many items that are items that I will keep wearing over. And even though Zara is fast fashion, that's the thing that I like about it, is that the clothes are more well made than like Shein or H&M, to name a few, Forever 21. So I can find stuff that I can style that. My rule of thumb is I need to be able to style an item at least 7 ways for me to buy it. Like that's my rule of thumb, because I don't want to buy something once and then not wear it again. So I found some really good items at Zara, and I'm holding everything in my hand, so I need a second. Okay, so the first basic item, Zara is really great if you want like just basic stuff. Black tee or tank top. It's very thin. You can layer this, you can tuck it in, wear it untucked. It goes really well with a lot of different items. I also bought it in this pale pink. This for me is a perfect summer top because it's just light and airy. That's what I like. Next I have some bodysuits. This one is inside out. So I wasn't a fan of the bodysuit trend. Like, I was resistant. Now I love it. So I got this one in lilac. I got this one. I never even wore this. Oh, I thought I did. Okay, well, this one in black. This is a V-neck. I will have to wear that. I'm gonna put that one over here. I did wear the pink one. So this is the same bodysuit, but in pink. It looks kind of weird. I'll try these on because it doesn't look right when you just have them on the hanger. And I have purchased many of these basic dresses. It's called the Ponte de Rosa dress if you want to find it online. It's basically just a bodycon, but I like these for layering, so I bought this one in tan. And this is also on my blog already. And then I got this really pretty like jacquard. It's called a dress, but it's really not a dress. To me, like, this is more of like a kimono, but I bought those to wear together. I love this shirt. I have 2 of them. The other one is over there because I'm supposed to film a lookbook with it. But this one, it's so thin. I love that. You can see through it. The gold just really pops. Like, I love everything about this shirt. And the silver one is equally as pretty. And this is a small. I don't think it came in an extra small. I would need an extra small because it's very wide. So like when I was wearing it, it would slide down like that, which is really annoying. And but I like how big it is. I like that it's baggy. I like everything about it. The only thing that there is to not like is this material. Like, I wear a lot of bracelets, so it gets caught on the bracelets constantly. And by like when I wore it, by the end of my dinner date, I had like all these little threads that had got caught on the bracelet, and you could see it. And so when I wore the gold one, I had to be very careful. The silver one, even like my nails, I had like one little nail that needed to be trimmed, and I was in Charleston. I didn't have like any nail trimmers or anything, and it ended up just like pulling on all of the threads, which was very upsetting to me. So this is the black bodysuit. This is like the purple one. All of these basics were not very expensive. Like, the only thing that was expensive is this jacquard cover. This was $75. That was the most expensive thing out of all of this. And I have this cute little animal print crop top. It's thin. This is not like a thick sweater. It's very thin. I wore it outside. It's like 92, 93 degrees. I was perfectly comfortable. And these pants, I would say like this is the best purchase out of all of this, because I'm gonna wear these pants over and over and over. I have them in black, I have them in navy blue, and I have them in white. These are on their website. They are titled Bermuda shorts. So if you guys want to find those, just search Bermuda shorts. They'll come up. You can also just look on my blog. Everything that I've shown you, I've worn, except for that one black shirt, because I thought I wore that, but I didn't. So that is 3 hauls for you guys, and I will be back with more videos. I just have to decide what kind of video I'm gonna do. So I will talk to you guys all later.